Asian.
Barkada ko.
They think Chinese.
You're called Berconyo kids.
Everybody.
Kasi,
you look Asian.
Explain ko. Conyo kids kasi, 8 kami sa barkada.
Ako, they thought I'm Chinese. Chinese pa.
Lahat kami, spokening dollars.
I don't look Pinoy.
Tapos, ano tawag dito, lahat kami spokening dollars. Tapos lahat ng last name namin, we're the only ones in the school. As in, buong school, kami lang yun yung last name namin. That's why we're known as that. So, we were 8 in the barkada, diba? Ako lang yung Ting. Tapos yung friends ko, Salazar, Jacinto, Periquet, Chi,
Wow, ang cute!
Vargas, Arjonilio, tsaka Si. Hindi pala Si. Pito pala kami, pito. So, lahat ng last name namin yun lang. Alam mo naman yung uso sa high school, diba? Tawagan last name. Kami lang yung pwedeng ganun.
Ting, ting, ting.
Perikit, oy, ganun. Or Salazar. Kasi, kami lang yung ganun. Pag nasa hallway ka at sumigaw ka ng chua, 10 titingin sa'yo kung nasa Chinese school ka. Chua! 10 yung nga ganun. What's on, Chris?
Luis Miguel.
Ha?
Luis Miguel.
Naghaharutan sila. Issue na naman yan. Chris, hindi na talaga makontento sa isang lalaki.
Gaga. What?
Tawag dito. Pero yun, that was the fun of it. Kasi like, pwedeng isang tawag. Ting! Ganyan. So pag tinanong, meron kami tinatawag na EDSOR, yung union between Lasal, Poveda, Ika, and Xavier. Pag tinanong na, Ting, ganyan. Oo, yun yung kumakanta, ganyan, blah, 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 blah. Kasi we were very prominent in the scene. Tapos lahat pa kami soccer team.
Tony!
Cute, walang soccer sa akin.
Tony!
Meron.
I was telling Hanson about it nga soccer team. Doon ko lang. Di ba yung explain?
Sila, pero
Explain natin yun, di ba, sa bashing? Lang.
Maniwala ka ba?
I bet nakapunta na sila dito.
Cheerleader.
Javier, I miss you. So yun, nakatawa. Kasi yun lang. Pero grabe, you know what? Alam ko, the Chinese, you know, they think of the funniest names. I swear. I had a batchmate, his name was Bill Clint Ong. Bill Clint Ong? Yeah. Bill Clint Ong.
Nag-meet ako sa college. Tagang ko lang, ganun ko yung matanyaw. Tikit na siya.
Sa Xavier, marami.
Uy na, uy ako.
I had a friend, his name was Chua. Uy! Used to think Ano yung ibig sabihin?
Bugoy!
His first name is Bog. His first name is Bog, last name Uy. Bugoy!
Bug Oy.
Announcing the stars caller from the coming soon. Boom! Uy!
Bugoy!
Medyo ano ka naman singkit.
Singkit ako, laki-laki na naman. Singkit ko dito. Tapos mahilig sila sa ton.
Singkit yung dito
The Chinese mahilig sila sa ton. Yung mga Washington, Jefferson.
Oh, why? I
Oy, pangalan niya ng kuya ko.
Jefferson, Washington.
Puro kami J. Ganun.
Bog, uy.
But then you know what?
Inyakiting.
You know what? I may have taken for granted the Chinese lessons and the Chinese society, but I wouldn't have wanted my education in any other way.
But, uy.